We are back with another real estate update for the residents of the Grey Bruce, Owen Sound area, and it seems like the lows of the real estate market are firmly in the rearview mirror as things are starting to pick up. However, it's not nearly like it was a couple years ago today when things were going for way over the asking price.
You got that right. Before we get into it though, if you could do us a favor, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification, and like this video so you can stay up to date with all the happenings in the real estate market. Okay, so let's start off with median sale prices. In Grey Bruce, the median price of a single family home was $585,000, which is down 16% from the peak of last year and down just slightly from last month. In Owen Sound, the median price was $450,000, down 19% from last year and a bit from 1 month ago. As the summer months go on, the large year-over-year decreases will start to go away as we begin to compare it with prices that took place after the peak.
The month of inventory is back into a balanced market territory, and in some areas it's starting to head towards a seller's market. Month of inventory is one of the most important stats to look at if you're trying to figure out trends and where the real estate market is going. Under 3 months means a seller's market, 4 to 5 months is a balanced market, 6+ is a buyer's market. And what it calculates is how long would it take for everything on the market to sell out if no new listings came up. Since the interest rates have started to go up, we've quickly gone from a seller's market into a buyer's market, but things are starting to balance back down as buyers are coming more into the market and homes are starting to sell again.
Okay, I think everyone was expecting to see a lot more listings come this spring, and while there has been a nice little bump, there's not nearly as many as you would going back historically, say about 5 years ago. The lack of inventory combined with buyer demand picking up is what has caused the market to begin turning around. What does this all mean, Tim?
Yeah, well, it seems the market has turned a corner. Things are starting to pick back up. Still not like it was at the highs of the market just about a year to 2 years ago. But what we're seeing is anything under $500,000 is selling very quickly and is getting multiple offers. One thing I've noticed though is that even if a home is getting multiple offers, it doesn't necessarily mean it's going to sell way over asking. Buyers are still fairly reserved in what they're willing to pay for a property.
So if you're a seller, things are getting better out there. The average days on market has come down to about 18 to 22 days. And generally, if a home hasn't sold after about a month, it usually indicates that the market feels that the price is not quite right. If you're a buyer, you're going to be faced with a bit more competition now, and the leverage is starting to swing back to the seller's favor, but prices are still quite a bit down compared to the peak from last year.
In summary, prices have improved, things are moving more easily than they were a little while ago, but it's still really hard to say what's going to happen going forward. Interest rates remain high, the global climate is still quite volatile, nobody really knows where things are going to go. We're Mark and Tim with Century 21 In Studio Realty. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and follow along for more real estate stats.